nakon sat vremena.
Evo, već jedno 40 minuta, možda i više, imamo
da je
neku
imalo
ribu.
više.
Možda i više, možda već sat vremena. SGS6, SGS10, imam neku, ne znam, P2 možda u kredenicu. Nešto jako sporo i teško i veliko. Mislimo da tuna nije, ali ne znam da li morski pas. Pojma nemam. Užasno teško.
Mamac je bila.
Šarun. Evo ga, krenemo.
Sam rekao da si zapal dole pa...
Čekaj, sad, evo.
A sad ipak zadev neka mi ide.
Zadev bome vleće. Isuse Bože, glavo. Isuse Bože. Isuse. 6 štap. Ovo je Bucanj. Isuse Bože.
Pa ko brodi?
Isus. Daj mi slikaj, molim te.
Čekaj.
Isuse Bože. Pustit ćemo.
Čekaj. Bog te mazu.
Gledamo, SGS štap. Isus, ja ne mogu da smo mi to uspjeli izvući van. Znači šaruna, evo izvukli smo, ja mislim da je ovo Bucanj, ni ne znam šta je to.
Ogromno je.
Ogromno je. Evo, pustit ćemo ga. Daj ti nešto.
Evo ti.
Da probamo kačiti.
Evo. Hoće da slika.
Ovo samo lovi. Pazi sam, ovo će puknut sadak zapliva. Evo, kačio se, ja mislim.
Dobro je. Keće na lis.
Evo ga ovdje.
Neće niš puknuti, tebi puknuti. Odskakljio se. Isus ti. Ko je rekao da danas ne grize?
150 grama. Sat vremena. So you've just seen a catch of a lifetime. I mean, for me. So it was a fish, I don't know how big, 100, 150, maybe 200 kilos, as big as boat. And you know, I still cannot believe that I've managed to land it in about an hour. The fight lasted for about an hour, and we used our boat to follow it. So the rod is SGS6 Slow jigging 150 gram rod. So it's a deep action rod. I used SGS10 jigging reel, which was awesome because I could really regulate the amount of drag, especially when the fish was pulling line. So I really want to put the pressure, but I also didn't want to risk to break my line. I used, I don't know which braid it is, but it's PA 1.5 or 2.0. And then I used a live bait rig, which we use here. So with a simple 3-way swivel. I also not sure who manufactured this, but it doesn't look too expensive, but incredible. It landed 100 plus kilo fish. So the main line, I mean the main leader was 0.60 super hard fluorocarbon. And then I used, because I was planning to catch John Dory, I used 0.39 Savage Gear 100% soft fluorocarbon, and I used this hook. So it's Savage Gear, it's a new hook, is SGY like 2x strong. It's a saltwater hook, so it's just a live bait rig we use for John Dory's. So this fish, I saw it on my Garmin unit in like 20 meters above the bottom. So I just lifted the horse mackerel, which I use for bait, and you know the fish took off, and you know it was an incredible fight. The gear was under really a lot of pressure, but we managed to get it out, and yeah, it's just a memory of a lifetime and a catch of a lifetime. Thank you.